The camera fades into a quiet street at night. Street lights flicker as the sound of footsteps echoes. We see a young man, Alex, walking quickly, glancing nervously around. His phone buzzes in his pocket. He takes it out and looks at the screen, his eyes widening. Meet me at the old warehouse at 10 p.m. It's urgent. Don't tell anyone. The message reads. Alex looks around again, his face filled with worry. He quickly types a reply, his fingers shaking. Are you sure? This does not feel right. A new message pops up. Just get here. Alex hesitates but then turns and starts walking faster, heading towards the warehouse. The warehouse is dark with only a few dim lights scattered around. The silence is eerie. Alex reaches the door and slowly pushes it open, his heart racing. Inside, he hears faint whispers. His phone buzzes again, and this time it's a reminder of an important project he has due tomorrow, but Alex ignores it, too focused on finding about what's happening here. Suddenly, a figure steps out from the shadow, its own old friend Tom, who Alex has not seen in years. Tom? Alex is confused. What's going on? Why did you bring me here? Tom looks around, making sure no one's watching. I need your help, Alex. Something's going wrong, and it's bigger than what we thought. Alex steps forward, anxious but curious. What is it? Tom pulls out a stack of papers. This is everything. You need to keep it safe. Don't get distracted no matter what. As Alex reaches for the papers, his phone buzzes again. This time it's a notification from his work. He has missed a deadline, and his boss is furious. His mind starts to race. I can't focus on this now. I need to fix this, he thinks. Tom notices Alex's reaction and grabs his arm. Don't let distractions take you off course. The world's full of them. If you don't focus now, we might never get another chance. Alex looks at Tom, conflicted. He has responsibilities, but this feels important too. His phone buzzes again. His homework reminder for the Arjuna batch. It's one of the thing after another. Tom was braced through the noise in Alex's mind. Remember, why are you here? One moment of distraction could ruin everything. Alex stares at the papers in his hand. The buzzing of his phone becomes louder and louder. His thoughts spin in all directions. But then he remembers why he's worked so hard for everything, why he pushed through all the obstacles in his life, discipline, focus, determination. He had learned those lessons during his tough journey in the batch and beyond. Taking a deep breath, Alex silences his phone. No, he says to himself, I can do this. I won't be distracted. He looks at Tom and nods, let's do this. They race through the night, moving quickly, staying focused. Every time Alex feels the urge to check his phone to answer a message, he silences it. Every time his mind starts to wander, he reminds himself of the bigger picture. Finally, they reach their destination, a safe location to hide the papers. As the task is completed, Tom looks at Alex with a smile. You did it. You stayed focused. You did not let the distractions take over. Alex smiles back, replies, and proud. It was not easy, but I knew I had to do. Distractions are everywhere, but staying focused is what makes the difference. The camera cuts back along the Alex room the next day. He is sitting at the desk, working on his homework and making progress. He is thinking back to the night before, remembering how he felt to stay on the track despite challenges. Life will always throw distractions at you, he thinks, but it's your choice to stay focused. It is not easy, but it's worth it. The camera zooms out as Alex smiles, typing away on his laptop, showing that with focus and determination, anything is possible. Thank you.